If you need help getting nice soft skin, I found a couple of secrets that can actually help you with that. I think my skincare has helped me become one of the top OnlyFans models. Growing up, I had really bad acne and like dry skin. So if that's you, maybe my skincare can help you. Cause I like keeping things affordable and easy. I have no beauty filter on, but I have a little bit of makeup foundation and also the lighting's gonna make my skin look softer. But you'll see my face in different lighting when I take it to my bathroom and wash it. I'll show you exactly what I do for my morning, midday, and evening routines. Hit the like button so this video goes into your liked videos, then you can come back to it if you need help. I'll post links on everything that I use in the description. I'm also not sponsored, and any revenue I make on this YouTube channel all goes to charity. Alright, so I'm just gonna pretend that I just woke up. I have my night routine on my face, so none of this is gonna make any sense until you watch the whole video and you see the night routine. But there's a lot of Vaseline on my face and a bunch of other stuff, and we need to get rid of it. So when you wake up in the morning after being covered with Vaseline, you need to get it off. So we're gonna start off using Clean and Clear and just water to get all the Vaseline off. And instead of using your like shower towel, it's really important that you have a specific designated towel for your face. If you keep using the same towel, like a shower towel, whatever you have on here, you're gonna transfer it over to your face and you're gonna lose any progress that you've been making. So I'm just gonna use a warm, cold water. The temperature doesn't matter as long as it's not like freezing or burning. And just rinse, put water on your face. And now we're just gonna use a little bit of Clean and Clear and it'll last you forever. You don't even need that much of this stuff. This stuff will last forever. It's always on sale and it just costs a couple of bucks. So now that I have it everywhere on my skin, I'm just gonna wash it off. The most important part is drying off your face. You do not want to be aggressive. You just want to like pat on it and then you can like push it down like this. You can pat it down, but just don't stretch your skin. Always avoid stretching your skin because that's going to create wrinkles. All right, my skin is dry, and after you sleep with the Vaseline and all that stuff on your face, you can tell on my skin how clear it is, how perfect it is. Step one is going to be using hydrating toner. If you want to like make your face like hydrated, and apparently like it does a bunch of other stuff like repair, prevent stuff, or whatever. I don't know what it does, but I just know that it just works. It's called hydrating toner. I'll put a little bit on my palm and just put it on my face. I think in the instructions, they want you to use like a cotton ball or like a paper towel or something. But that's the worst idea ever because this stuff is like really thin that it really gets into your skin. And when you put it on like a fabric, it's gonna absorb all of it. And you have to keep using more and more of this. And I'll put it like on the fingertip like this and just kind of cup it. And this, you literally need it everywhere. I put a little bit more on my hand and I like putting it on my neck, all around it, and on my chest. So now that my face is like slathered and stuff, you can wait 10 minutes for it to dry, or you can just skip to the next step. Since I'm doing this in the morning and I have to get ready, I'll skip to the next step and not just wait. The Vaseline is really cheap and the hydrating toner is pretty affordable. But what isn't, and I wish it was, is Neutrogena. Neutrogena is so expensive. I have this one, I'll put it in the link in the description. It's actually so freaking good. You don't really need that much, but I feel like you do go through it really fast. But it's like lotion. It's gel for your skin. All right, now that we have it everywhere on our skin, put it everywhere besides your lips. Your lips, we're gonna take care of it with something else. I like using like, it's gonna be Vaseline again, but this is different. This is gonna be Lip Therapy Vaseline. It smells really good and feels really nice. Makes your lips so freaking soft. You will never have dry lips ever again with this stuff. Personally, I only wear sunblock if I'm gonna be recording like adult content or if I'm gonna be like dating somebody's mom. But generally, if I'm not wearing makeup, then I'm gonna be using sunblock. Sunblock is gonna be so strong, and I like using this one because it doesn't make you look like you have white face on. But you have to wait for like the sunblock to dry, and that's gonna take like 20 minutes. My face is also gonna take like 20 minutes to dry, but it's perfect. If you look at the quality of my skin, I'm just gonna show off a little bit. But that's the morning routine. I hope that helps. The most important step is gonna be the evening. The evening will change your freaking life. You don't have to do anything while you sleep and you're just gonna become extremely more noticeably hotter. If you just do what I'm doing, it might work for you too. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face a second time because I wanna get rid of the makeup that I have on, or sometimes I have sunblock that I wanna get rid of. So step one, you don't wanna get anything on your hair, so we're just gonna do like a ponytail, like watch this. I don't know if you can see that. Make a ponytail, just twist it, and then hold it at the top, and then hold it with a clip. Wash your dirty hands. Oh yes. Aww. And have your face towel ready, and we're gonna be starting off with the Clean and Clear. I have one right here. Clean and Clear. Make sure you get like underneath your chin, on the side of your like jaw. You just want to make sure your full face is wet. And then you just need like a little bit of this stuff. You don't even need that much. Can you even see it on my hand? And gently move it into circles all over your face. You should probably avoid getting this in your hair because it's really good at drying stuff out. I have waterproof eyeliner, and the only thing that actually removes it is this stuff. So now when your face is all like this, I'm not gonna open up my eyes. That's gonna burn. Put some water on it. I don't know what to call that. Just put some water on your face. All right, this is the really important part. When you're gonna dry your face, you want to use a clean towel. You cannot use the same towel that you go to the shower with because there's gonna be like really a lot of stuff on it that you're gonna be transferring over to your face, and it's gonna make your situation worse. So what you wanna do is lightly pat your face. Sometimes you can just like press it a little bit, but you don't wanna go too hard. So to hydrate, I'm gonna be using this retinol cream. I don't know if it's called retinol. All you do is just squeeze it and just use a little bit, and just wanna make sure your whole face gets moisturized. I like putting a little bit underneath my eye, and a little bit on top of my eyelid, but you don't want to put too much because then you'll feel it. Another important thing to mention is that your skin is gonna have pores. Everybody thinks you can get rid of your pores, but you need pores to be alive. It's your skin freaking breathing. And then the size of your pores are already gonna be determined by like your genes. There's nothing you can do about it. If you have pores, you have pores. Sometimes you can make them a little bit smaller, make them look nicer if you're clean, but everyone has pores. If anybody wants to get eyelash extensions, I do recommend it, but like it takes an hour or two for them to put it on your eyes, and they're literally gluing like little pieces of plastic to your eyes. So a lot of people are probably gonna hate it, and you have to like make sure they're always clean. You have to go in every 2 weeks to get a refill. It's like $100, $120 per month plus a tip. But I think it's really worth it if you have the money. The last thing that we want to do is Vaseline. We're gonna put Vaseline on our lips, but it's not just any Vaseline. This is specifically made for your lips. I like using my pinky and I like being generous with it. It's gonna make you look slimy, and it works by trapping in the moisture. Vaseline is so good at making like a barrier, and it prevents your skin from like getting dry. It's so overpowered. That's basically it for my like midday routine. Like if I'm taking off my makeup or taking off sunblock, or if I need to wash my face because I have like stuff on it, that's exactly what I do. It takes like 10 minutes for my skin to dry, and then I'll take off my stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow, wow, wow. If you like my body skin, which is a weird way to say it, let me show you exactly what I do when I get out of the shower. I can't show you my naked body, but if you go to onlynanonano.com, you can see why I'm a top OnlyFans creator. Here's everything I've been using on my body. I like the smell and taste of this body wash, but honestly, anything works for me. Sometimes it's buy one, get one free at the store, and it goes on sale a lot, so I just grab as many as I can. I also use a soft shower brush instead of a loofah to scrub myself. It's soft when it gets wet, kind of like your mom, so it doesn't hurt my skin. You should always be gentle with your skin. I have thigh and butt acne from probably sweat, lube, cum, and your mom's face makeup, so I use this before scrubbing myself with body wash in the shower. Once I dry myself off, I apply this lotion literally everywhere in my body, then walk around naked in my room until it's like dry enough to put clothes on. I've already bought this 25 times. I shower every night instead of the morning. Morning people are kind of gross, and it doesn't make sense unless like you want to be clean because you're gonna go visit a friend. That's basically everything I do for the shower. My hair routine, it takes like 1 or 2 hours, so I'm not gonna show it. Everybody's hair is completely different. I struggled so hard with my hair, and I finally found a routine that actually works for me. I can show you guys what I do, but it probably won't apply to you unless you have like similar hair to mine. Okay, I'm gonna show you my night routine, even though it's not nighttime, and it's gonna be really cringe and really, really, really awkward. Do you know who Ellen DeGeneres is? So she's like 80 years old or something, but she looks like a little like 11-year-old boy. It's because she sleeps with Vaseline all over her face, and I've been doing it, and if you look at my face, it looks pretty smooth. The Vaseline creates a barrier in your skin and prevents any moisture loss. So when you're sleeping, you're not losing any moisture. And then this one also has aloe vera, so it's also gonna be healing your skin. So this is the specific tub that I use to put on my face. So instead of putting my hair up all normal, I have a hairnet. Don't judge me. One of my live stream viewers gave me this hairnet. Before, I would just use a lot of hair clips, but this is so much nicer. And it's nighttime. Nobody's gonna see you wearing a hairnet except for all of you guys. Instead of washing your face again to get rid of like all the oil and stuff, we're gonna be using an exfoliator. Exfoliators are crazy. You have to be really gentle with this. So you just want to put a little bit on your palm, like what I just did. and just splash it on your face. I think my cheeks are my biggest problem areas. I'll get all of my cheek, above my lip, my chin, underneath my jaw a little bit. If I go too far down, it's kind of like itchy. Like this exfoliator is so freaking strong. And I'll put some on my nose because I get like little dots on the inside and like on the outside over here. And this is a really thin liquid, so you want to make sure you cup it perfectly and then bring it over to your face. The exfoliator is supposed to like unclog your pores. It's supposed to clean your face because I feel like it's really thin, so it actually gets deep into your skin. So now, because I'll be like in bed, I'll wait like 10 minutes for my skin to dry to fully absorb everything. And then the next thing you want to do is use hydrating toner. This thing is really cheap and it's always on sale. It's so freaking nice. It's basically, it feels like the same thing, but it's just supposed to hydrate your skin. So we're just gonna put a little bit in our palm and just do the exact same thing that we did with the exfoliator. But with this, you want to hit every spot, including your eyelids. So this means now that I have it on my face, I have to wait like another 10 minutes for this to dry. So we've already spent like 20 minutes minimum, but I think it's worth it. All right, lastly, or not really lastly, we have one more thing. We're gonna put Vaseline on your face, but it's not just any Vaseline, it's aloe vera. Aloe vera is really good for your skin. If you get a burn, you put aloe vera on it. If you get a cut, I think you can put aloe vera on it. Anything happens to your skin, you put aloe vera on it, but you just literally wanna slather your skin and make sure the whole thing is covered in Vaseline. You're gonna wake up tomorrow morning and it's gonna be amazing after you wash off the Vaseline. I've heard this is what Ellen DeGeneres does, and that's why she looks so freaking like young for like being 80. Oh yeah, don't put the exfoliator or the hydrator on your lips. Don't worry about that because then you're gonna taste it and it's gonna be really gross. So now that you have your Vaseline all over your face, it's gonna be doing so much work while you're sleeping. While you're sleeping, you're just gonna become hotter overnight and there's nothing that you have to do about it. Nothing you can do about it, you're just gonna become hotter. So for your lips, since we haven't really taken care of them, I have some like sleepy night stuff. I accidentally got this and I really like it. I don't know how much it is, but I'll leave a link in the description. And I like putting like a huge, generous amount all over my lips. And I'll purposely miss my lips and get above it, get inside of it, get all over it. It's gonna make you very slimy. You're gonna be a very slimy person when you sleep. And now when you wake up, you're gonna have really freaking healthy lips. It's gonna be so nice. You're not even gonna believe it. When you wake up, it's gonna be crazy. But now you have to do your best to not touch your face. And then when you sleep, you will get Vaseline on your pillowcases. So I hope you have an extra pillowcase and everything should be fine. As long as this stays in place. If it doesn't, you can put in little hair clips. I'll do that sometimes, but I notice I don't really need it anymore. But that's the night routine. It will literally change your life. All right, this is basically the night routine. This is everything that you need to do at night if you want to have the same level of skin that I did. You can kind of see my skin. What the hell? That looks really good. Everyone has pores, but my pores are like, I think it's the Vaseline making it really shiny. What the heck? Anyways, I hope everything's affordable. Hope everything makes sense. It's pretty, for me, it's easy to do because I already gotten the hang of it. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Leave it in the comments if you've actually just transformed overnight. And good luck with the Vaseline stuff. Alright, that's all you need. Mwah. Slimy lips. Oh yeah, that's basically it. Good luck, be weird, get a hairnet or some like clippy or something to make sure your hair doesn't touch the Vaseline because that's never gonna come out unless you shower. Alright, good luck.